Looks like I just got squatched. Got pine tar. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, this is gonna be amazing. Cedar citrus. Yeah, this it will be good, good, good. I mean, yeah, this is amazing. I love me some cypress, cedar, forestness. I wanted to focus on this box particularly. Oh, oh. So this is what happened to the gold moss box when I opened it up. I guess, you know, they didn't close the bottle of the Dr. Squatch shampoo enough because it's like leaking and it got all over this. But, you know, oh well. It's not like I'm using this for anything other than taking a shower. But yeah, this stuff smells really good. This is gonna be amazing. Yeah, like I'm gonna get super clean in the shower. I'm gonna smell great. It also came with this, like, soap life extender, soap holder. I probably won't use this much because I don't really have a bathroom and I gotta take this back and forth. But, I mean, it's nice. So I'm gonna go get myself super clean in the shower. Squatch me!